Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Grok AI step by step. So as you guys can see, I can already use the Grok. I can ask him every question like hi. And as you guys can see, it wasn't able to reply right now, but that doesn't matter. What matters is that to use Grok AI, we need to sign up for Twitter first, so X. So go into your browser, type x.com, and here you guys need to make sure that you are using an account. So you guys can go over and click on, let's say, sign up with Google, but I already have an account, so I'll click on sign in. Now here I'll sign in with Google and choose my account. So here you guys can create an account. I feel like Google and Apple are the best ways to actually do that. It's much faster. Now let's quickly go and click next. As you guys can see, let's skip it for now and skip for now. I need to select something, so let it be food. Now we have to follow at least one account, so click next. And as you guys can see, here we have our X. Now, after we have the X now, what we can do is access the Grok. So it's available on this platform right here at the corner. And here we can ask it questions. But what we want to do is we want to go over and click open conversation, click on continue, and now we are at x.com/i/Grok. So here we can ask it anything we want. And as you guys can see, we have an answer. So this is where you guys can use the Grok. This is how to use it and how to get it. Now, of course, Grok is good because it pulls in the real-time data from X. So you can ask about it like, what's trending right now? And it is searching on X. And as you guys can see, here we have the topics. Here we have the random hashtags. And that's basically what you guys can do with the Grok. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.